Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a Bobcat B300 backhoe loader. So this unit has 1,511 hours on it. Back last October, I bought this unit from a private guy. It had 1,456 hours, sold it to a good customer. I was up in State College, Pennsylvania. Basically, his guys wouldn't use it because it doesn't have cab heat and air. So I know what I'd have done in his situation. I'd get some new guys, but there again, he's decided to basically have me sell this, and we're going to put those proceeds towards something different for his application. So he did put about 65 hours on the machine. We had done a full service at that time, so engine oil, fuel filter, air filter. We even got a hydraulic filter for it, completed all the service, hubs, greased it, went all over it. Machine runs and works good. Does have skid steer quick attach up here in the front. Has front auxiliary hydraulics. Front bucket is in good condition other than a ding right here in the front, but it is standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. We'll show you everything about this machine. We're going to run it around and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Under the hood, it's going to be powered by a Kubota V2203 4-cylinder diesel engine. You'll see that we have everything tested, and like antifreeze was tested, MSC 926 of 18 did fuel filter. We rode on everything, so everybody knows it was taken care of. There was no sense in reservicing it just because it's not due for anything. Rubber's still in good condition. This is an all-wheel steer machine. On the back, does have the exchange style quick coupler. Boom is not welded or busted. Does have auxiliaries on the back for running different attachments. The thing is not all slopped out, anything like that. There's no oil pouring out of it. Doesn't have really any leaks at all. Coming up here, someone has put some black sand in the sides. We'll take you up here. Seat has some tears in it. I didn't replace it. He didn't want it replaced back then, but still his seat's good. 1,511 hours. Parking brake does work. Lights, different things, everything there works. So brakes work. We're going to go ahead and fire this thing up. We're going to run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do, put it through high and low range, that kind of thing, and we'll show you the backhoe works good. machine that does have a fully locking differential. That tire over there is spinning. The four-wheel drive does work, but you can fully lock in the differential. So good little machine. This is a nice machine. If you're a guy that's a small guy, you're doing plumbing utility contracting, you need to run it back and forth on the job, this is something. If you want it to be a skid steer mount, run a rock hound, run an auger, you can do it up front. You've got exchangeable buckets in the back with the exchange system. Nice little machine. So stuff like this, in my opinion, is getting a little harder to come by. Stuff like this in this price range even. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you for checking us out. And again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. Have a great day.